Please forgive my limited vocabulary and my broken English. Today we are gonna talk about welding. Alright, I use solder paste and I have the thin wire roll here and my soldering iron solder. Be very careful, please grab it by the red area, you know, some others are different colors, and when you place it on the, never touch this area, the metal one. It's gonna be really hot when you're operating. First we're gonna cut these wires with this tool, wire stripper. So I'm gonna show you how I make the soldering with the components and wires. Weld. There are some different forms or types of welding. So, okay, let's say you don't have a wire stripper. We're gonna use a sharp knife. And then with a little pressure, just roll a little bit over the edge of the knife, so you can cut the plastic that surrounds the cable. We're gonna do the same to the other. See, roll it, and it's cut just a little bit, not too much, or you're gonna cut the wires. Now let's plug it. Let's plug the solder. Make sure it's on a flat surface, like this. And I'm gonna dip it in paste a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of thin the wires to make it more easy to solder. There are different ways, of course. I'm not expert, but you neither. I think you're not expert to make it the same way as others, but we all are learning. So let's add a little bit more of thin to the wires before we solder it to the motor or to the battery contacts. Okay, here we have the motor. This is a sample. Okay, let's add a little bit more of thin. Apply a little pressure, let it cool down, and it's soldered. Same for the other part. Let it apply a little pressure. It's hot. Now let it cool down and ready. Now let's remove the wires. Same principle, just with the hot soldering iron solder, just remove it. Now we're gonna put these contacts, battery contacts that you might be familiar with. They came with Thomas and Friends gearboxes. This is the way you can solder it to. If you have another old one, you can replace it, you know. And that's it. Very easy. Just be very careful. Do not grab it by the metal part, or you're gonna get burned. Once you are done with your work, don't forget to place the solder kit on the solder iron on a flat surface. Make sure it doesn't touch anything or burn anything. Unplug it. Don't forget to unplug it. And that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.